Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, if you are looking to elevate your trading game, then you are in the right place. The Forex Geek channel is for you. Now, specifically in this video, we are going to be diving deep into the best positional trading strategy that can truly unlock your potential in the Forex market. So, if you are a fan of position trading, and you are here at this point in time, then you are in the right place. Okay, and if you have not tried out position trading before but you want to try it out, then you might want to stick around till the end of this video. All right, so positional trading is all about maintaining a long-term perspective. Okay, unlike day trading where you might jump in and out of positions frequently, positional trading allows you to ride the waves of the market, capturing bigger moves over time. Now, this strategy can be incredibly beneficial, especially in the often unpredictable forex market. Okay, so how do you identify the best currency pairs for positional trades? You should start by analyzing pairs that have shown consistent trends over time. If you want to engage in positional trading, you would prefer to go with trending currency pairs, okay, because there are some pairs that trend more than others. There are some pairs that mostly engage in consolidations. Like if you look at their charts, you might see a lot of consolidations. Okay, let's just see if we can look for any examples. Let's just see if we can find any examples. Right now, you can see this is a trending pair. Can you see over time it has been trending over time? This is an example of a trending pair. So if you want to engage in positional trading, you'll be looking for pairs like this. All right, now let us compare that with this. Okay, this one was this also a trending pair, but can you see during this period? Now this is a valid example. Can you see that during this period, don't forget to check the dates. Can we see that this was 2021? So from 2021 to 2023, can you see for about 2 years, this pair was not exactly in a trending phase. It was more of consolidation. So for 2 full years, can you see? So if you want to engage in positional trading, you would make more profits if you trade trending pairs. Okay, so when you want to select the currency pairs for you to trade, just make sure that you kind of look at their historical price movements. When you look at their historical price movements of the currency pairs, then you'll be able to know if that currency pair is such, or that asset, whether it's a currency pair or whether it's a commodity or whatever. You will know if it is a trending asset. Okay, because you want to focus on trending assets for positional trading. Okay, all right, so once you have looked for those that have a strong historical performance, pay attention to fundamental factors like economic indicators, geopolitical events, and market sentiment. These factors can greatly influence your trading decisions. All right, now let's talk about the importance of developing a well-rounded trading plan. A solid trading plan should include clear entry and exit points. Use technical analysis to identify potential support and resistance levels is very important, right? So that you can be able to know when to enter your trade and when to exit. All right, this will help you to determine those entry and exit points, okay, and potentially limit your losses. All right, now remember, patience is key in positional trading. The market can fluctuate and it's essential to remain disciplined. Resist the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on short-term movements. Instead, trust your analysis and stick to your plan. Okay? It's very, very important. All right. Now, imagine you spot a pair or an asset that has been trending upwards. Okay. In fact, let us use gold as an example because gold has also been trending upwards for a while now. So let's say you identify an asset such as gold in this example that has been trending upwards, an asset that has been trending upwards. Now you decide to enter a trade based on your analysis, okay? Your analysis of market conditions and your trading plan. As the price continues to rise, you monitor the trade, but you allow it to play out perhaps over a few weeks, capturing significant gains along the way. Now, this is the essence of positional trading. So, positional trading is long term, right? You could be holding your trades for weeks or even for months, right? So, imagine you had spot this bullish move right from February. This is gold, XAUUSD, right from February, and you had entered a buy. Now, this is November. This is currently November when I'm recording this video. So, imagine you had entered from February and you entered a buy and you kept your trade running for months up till now, you will be in massive profits by now, because gold has already risen. It has risen by over 7,500 pips, right? That was a huge move, right? You can see this is about 7,670 pips, right? So it's a huge move. It's a huge move, okay? 7,670 pips. It means that even if you had used as little as point 0.1 lot size, even if you had used the mini lot size, which is point 0.1, then you would have made $765, about $765. Then imagine if you had used a standard lot size, that would have given you over $7,600 over the space of is it 7 8 months, over 9 months. Okay, so that's a big move. So that's the benefit of positional trading, because it tends to capture big moves over time. And that's also the reason why it's important you trade a trending pair, because if it was a consolidating market, you might end up not really making so much after months because of the consolidations. So in a consolidation market, it is better to just be maybe a swing trader, or even, yeah, a swing trader might work better in a consolidation market. Even if you want to hold trades for days or for a couple of weeks, then try swing trading instead of positional trading if it is a consolidation, if it is a currency pair that consolidates more often. But if it's a currency pair that trends more often, then positional trading might really go well for you. Okay, so if you found this content valuable, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to continue providing you with expert strategies and insights. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining me today. Keep leveling up your trading game. Until next time, happy trading.